morning students. So let me continue the integers. In the integers we are doing the exercise 1.3. In that fifth main I should do. Find the product using suitable properties. So which are the properties? You know, closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. So you must use all these properties. Whichever method is easier you can use it. So when you see the question, see here 48 minus 48 is multiplied in both the situations. So I can take minus 48 as common to both. So if I take minus 48 out, what remains? 26. Which sign is there? Plus sign. Again if I take minus 48, what is left? Minus 36. So this is distributive property of multiplication over addition. So now you can see minus 48 here plus 26 minus 36. Two different signs. When two different signs occurs, what will you do? You will always subtract. So subtract 26 minus 36. So subtract 36 minus 26 will give you 10. So what is the greater number sign? Yes, it is minus. So I will get minus 10. So what is minus into minus? Plus. 48 into 10 is 480. So first which you must see which is common to both the products, then accordingly you can do it. So in the next sum it is 8 into 53 into minus 125. This is A into B into C. That is associative property. So now you should remember, because if 125 is multiplied by 8, you will get 1000. So let me rewrite this so that the multiplication will become easier. You know 25 4s are 100, 125 8s are 1000. That and all you should remember. Okay. So 53 into plus into minus minus 125 8s are 1000. 8 5s are 40. 4 carry. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 2 carry. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So multiply now. Plus into minus minus. 53 into 1000 is 53,000. 53 into 1000 is minus 53,000. So the next question is 15 into minus 25. Minus 25 plus minus 4 into minus 10. Here all are multiplication. All 4 are multiplied. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. So all are multiplication. So let me consider these three together. Because you know 25 4s are 100. So let me consider 15 into minus into minus plus 25 4s are 100. So 100 into minus 10. So multiply now. So when you multiply, it is nothing but 15 into plus into minus minus 100 into 10 is 1000. Again you multiply. Plus into minus is minus. 15 ones are 15. 3 zeros. So you can write minus 15,000. Then let me consider the next one. Minus 41 into 102. So you split 102 in such a way 100 plus 2, so that the multiplication will be easier for you. So I have written 102 as 100 plus 2. Now you multiply minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into plus 2. Yes, distributive property of multiplication over addition. So minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2. Multiply now. Minus 41 into 100 is 4,100. 41 followed by 2 zeros. Again, plus minus of minus into plus minus. 41 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So both are having which sign? Negative sign. When both are having same sign, add and put the same sign. So if you add and put the same sign, what you will get? Yes, it is minus 4,182. Minus 4,182. Okay? Understood? Yes. The next one is into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. So one is having positive, the other is having negative in 625. If you see the question, this is positive and this is negative. So let me consider, let me take 625 out. So 1 into minus 35 plus, if I take 625, it will give me minus 1 into 65. So now you multiply 625 into 1 into minus 135 are 35 plus, yes, minus 65. 1 into 65 is 65. So both are having which sign? Yes, negative sign. So add and put the same sign. So 625 into 65 plus 35 is, yes, 100. 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, plus into minus, minus 625 followed by how many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay, understood now? Yes. Next. Let me do the next sum. He himself has given 50 minus 2. Okay? Multiplication over subtraction. Multiply now. 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. Minus 7 into 2. What is 7 into 50? 7 5s are 35. What is 7 2s are? Yes, 14. What is 350 minus 14? Tell me. 300 and yes, 36. Very good. suitable properties. Okay, so now you multiply minus 17 into minus 30. Which sign is there? Plus. Minus 17 into 1. Okay, now you multiply. What you will get? Minus into minus. What is minus into minus? Plus. Plus, you know 17 threes are 51. 3 sevens are 21, 2 carry, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 510. Plus into minus, yes, minus 17 ones are 17. So now you subtract 510 minus 17. You tell me now what is the answer? 400 and yes, 93. The greater number sign is positive. So plus 493. Next one is minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. Okay. So now you do it. Which is common to both? Yes, I can take 57 is common to both. So minus 1 into minus 19. Minus 1 into minus 19. Plus 57. 1s are 57. So what is minus into minus? Yes, 19 ones are 19. Minus into minus is plus, 19 ones are 19. Plus 1. So 57 into 19 plus 1 is 20. So 0. 2 sevens are 14. 1 carry. 2 fives are 10 plus 1, 11. 1140. Understood now? How to find the product? Yes? Yes. So let me move on to the next question. Okay? Okay, if you read the question, you can understand. A certain freezing process requires that room temperature. So at present, what is the room temperature? Yeah, the present room temperature is 40 degrees. Centigrade. Then it is lowered. Lowered means kadime agta barutte anta. It is lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every. So decrease in temperature. So the temperature decrease. So decreasing temperature in each hour at the rate of each hour is 5 degrees Celsius. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Therefore, room temperature after 10 hours the process begins. So how will you find out? First, the room temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. In that, every hour it is reduced means you should, decreasing means you should subtract. So how many hours? It is 10 hours. Each hour it is reduced by 5 degrees Celsius. So the total is 40 room temperature. In that, every hour it is reduced by 5 degrees Celsius. So after 10 hours it is 10 into 5. What is 10 into 5? 10 5s are 50. Subtract now. What is 40 minus 50? Yes, minus 10. So I can write the room temperature after 10 hours the process begins will be equal to minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay? Understood? Yes. Next one. So if you understand the statement problem, it will be very easy. Okay? Next. In a class, test containing 10 questions. Questions. 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer. Every correct answer are 12. So minus 12. So what is his score? So therefore total marks scored by Mohan. So for the correct answer he got 20. For the incorrect answer he got minus 12. What is 20 minus 12? 8. So marks scored by Mohan is 8. Okay? Then the next one is in the same question. Some more is given. Let me write. Reshma. Reshma gets 5 correct answer and 5 incorrect answer. What is her score? Now, so the total again the same thing, but whereas instead of Mohan, I have written Mohan. Mohan it is. Okay. So now Mohan has become Reshma. So Reshma gets 5 correct answer. So she got 5 correct answer and 5 incorrect answer. So for 5 correct answer, what will be the mark? For correct answer, it is 5 marks is awarded. 5 5s are 25. Then 5 incorrect answer. So the 5 incorrect answer, the marks awarded is minus 2. Plus into minus minus 5 2s are 10. So total marks scored by Reshma is equal to, so 25 minus 10. So she scored 15 marks. So total marks scored by Reshma is 15. So the third one, in that only there is a third sum. Third, Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect. Out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? So Reshma will become now Hina. So Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect. So total 10 questions she attempted only 7 questions. 3 questions left means 3 into 0 0. So no need of worry about the remaining questions. So 2 correct answer. So what will be her mark? So 2 correct answer, her mark will be 5. 2 5s are 10. Then in that 2 correct and 5 incorrect. So 5 into, for incorrect answer it is minus 2. So 5 into minus 2. Plus into minus is minus, 5 2s are 10. So what is the total marks scored by Hina? So for the first correct answer she got got scored 10. She scored 10. Whereas for the incorrect answer, she scored minus 10. What is 10 minus 10? 0. So the mark scored by Leena is 0. Okay? Hope you have understood this. Let me continue in the next class. Thank you students. I will send the notes. Okay? Take care of your health. Bye.